Hello everyone, this is the power banks. Now we sketch to see the detail what is the assembly and what component of it. So yeah, you can see this one is the top cover of the power bank, and you go inside you will see the internal frame here. And display we show about the battery polymers. And this one is the PCB board of the power banks. Okay, you can see step by step all the image that we sketch here. And here for more detail and we look that we sketch and deassemble it for easy to understand. This is the power bank that we are use every day in our pockets. We are use every day in our hands. So we sketch all the item inside the component.